Hello and welcome back to the Northern Quarters. It is Sunday the 27th of July and we're on to bag 4. And now the Polter Pearson. And we start with 2 minifigures. So we'll do the same again. We'll build up the minifigure. Oh, not the camera. And I want to apologise if my hands look a bit meh today. For some reason, dry skin has decided to flare up. Any tips on a good moisturiser would be great. And he is here. Oh, silly. He's got a gun. I like him. Is this the first gold one? I feel the other one was the first tealy one. If not, I don't know much about Lego Space. It feels like I should know more, but I don't. So he gets a blue capsule. A blue capsule. Stick those in. And now we break him down and oh, I don't know where that went. Come on. There we go. We break him apart. This is horrific, I know. We shouldn't ever be dismembering minifigs. Oh. There we go. And we've got another minifig. And she's got this face. And oh, I like that one. She's got shades. Paradisa. She's ready for holiday. So ready, in fact, she comes with a parrot. And she's ready to take pictures of set. Also, she doesn't hold. Apparently, she doesn't hold the parrot. Can she? I don't know. That would be ideal. No. Oh! Oh, she does. There we have it. She goes in a yellow capsule. There's the little Technic pieces. 1, 2. Come on. Legs. Torso. The parrot is rather large. Also, I'm doing this film a little bit later on because I feel Sundays are difficult to wake up on. So I decided the other day, early-ish afternoon films on Saturdays, later films on Sundays. We'll figure it out. We'll see what works. Turn the page. Oh. And let's bring this back in. Right. Are we situated? Yes, yes we are. We're going to start with club business. I didn't get notified anything was on YouTube's. So I'll give it a check. We'll have a look. Of course we'll have a look. Oh, that was me. No. There was nothing over on YouTube today. Another day. But first we start with Claire, and she says, I'm not going to watch too closely as I have this set waiting to be built. Well, that's alright, because she's reading the comments like this. And yeah, I don't want anyone to get spoilers. So don't get any spoilers on my watch. Just get tethered in and then we'll get to Eric. Eric asks, is your opening theme original? Where did you find it or how did you come up with it? Well, my theme is not original, I will say that, but it is Afflewack adjacent. It is the theme from the Legoland Haunted House ride. And it's a banger. It's a banger. What was that? That was probably a truck going past. Scared the life out of me. Yes. Well, it was the theme tune to the Haunted House ride. If I remember, I'll link it in the description. If not, remind me and I will send you the link. Now we're building a separate thing. So we move this off to the side. Oh goodness. And we're building two of them. Good luck, studio. Good luck. Right. Doesn't look majorly difficult, but we all know motorbikes. Now, how many holes in is it? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's this one. And I'm going to make 2 of those. Club business is concluded. I thought there was a little bit more, but that's okay. Where are we? Right. This. Oh. I'll come round. That wasn't my usual setup. for my arms, so it was like it become very difficult. Right, there am I. I got lost, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I believe that's so. There's only one way to find out, and that's put them on the set. Where are we? Oh, that's correct, that one. Let's see if this one's correct. Yes! Small victories. Always look out for them, because they're there. Now, I've got another one of these, and do some light circling. Gosh. Don't know if you could see that. Higher it up. I'm still working out camera angles. Right. Oh. We've got some tiling now. Oh. Again, like not the camera flying. We have to pick it up. We'll look down upon it. We'll get all the pieces necessary. Pin that down. Where are we? And we need my eyes zoned out then. Right, so this one is here. And this one is here. This one is here. Which then this one goes here. Every car has decided to go past. That's probably because it's nearly tea time traffic. So I will work out a good time. There we go. Oh. Starting to feel. Turn the page. Right. Oh. Apologies for knocking the camera more than once today. We've got 4 little, I call these Superman pieces because they look like the Superman symbol. That's a big Superman piece there. Where are we? Goes there. My eyes are terrible today. They keep... Maybe it's because of the way the light's shining through the window. Maybe. That's it. Right. Here we go. We've got this piece. And then we've got this piece. That goes on there like that. And I love these pieces. These little round curves. They go on so nicely. Once you've found the right place for them as well. Right. There we go. So that goes on there. Again, why is it today? Must be because I'm tired. Must be. Has to be. I don't know if we'll get through another bag today, but that's okay. This was quite a complex bag. And now I have to concentrate. Because yes, I've got those in the corners. They go here. One. That's that one. Then that one. Another one of those. Another one of those, and a tiny one of those. Oh, and now we're filling in the gaps, are we? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just getting the pieces. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Right, here we go. 1, 2. Wow, that's the bass. If you heard that vibration, apologies for the jump cut. That car, literally, the vibration from whatever bass they had was shaking the shed, and I believe the vibrations from that car set another car's alarm off. An apology for the noise of the chair, which kind of nothing in comparison. Right, back to the fray. That was bizarre. That threw me right off. I've never, in all my years living at this house, never have I heard anything like that before. That was ridiculous. don't know if that came across on camera, but it was like a Godzilla attack. Speaking of Godzilla, I might be getting that set because it's being reviewed. Oh no, we've had a scattering. Wasn't really much of a scattering, but a piece went skedaddle. 4 pieces away. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's there. Depth perception. Ooh, a Technic piece now. Seems very easy to this one. This bit anyway. Goes in. There we go. And that is bag 4. So I'll zoom out. There we go. Here is bag 4. We made some headway. And I shall see you next week. Yes, next week. Trying to think if I will see you next week. I should be able to see you next week. Yes, so next Saturday I shall see you then. So I'm going to hand over to Mother Goose, who I believe is coming back on Wednesday. I think Wednesday. So I shall see you then. I shall see you on RWB in Club Business, and I'll see you next week back in the Northern Quarters. Apple wax forever. See you next week. Bye bye for now.